is wherein you can ask them, do you have any more questions? Is there anything else that I would help you with? You know what we do? We send a mail to people, and in the email, we ask people, we saw that you became a part of our training, but you have not yet subscribed to our training. Will you want to go to the next level? Will you want to go and get more opportunities from us, get your queries answered directly from Rahul and all that information? So you need to ask them. And a lot of people might say yes. And we ask them to share their contact number. So then we get on a call with them. And with the probability of them getting converted becomes easier because now they have asked themselves to call them. Second thing that we can do is we can send them a text message. Is there anything that we might help you with? If yes, just reply back to this message or just send one to this particular number or just WhatsApp on this number. Some people do, and therefore we are able to get close to them and get that sale to happen for us. So when you do such things, you will create those chances. Again, I want to ask you this question. Have you ever asked your customer this question? If they have not bought anything from you? So many people say no, right? Why? That's the reason you're not growing. That's the reason the money is not coming. Ask them directly, no? What is it that they want? Is there anything that they want? Can we help you with anything else? Can we provide you with any more information? Can we provide you with anything that would help you in the future? Ask them. And a lot of people would give you the answers. That's the power. Do it. If you don't get a reply in the first go, ask again, ask again. And I am giving you multiple ways today. I want you to implement as many as possible. And then gradually all of them. Implement each and every one of them. Got that? Because when you will be doing that, you will get results. Somebody has written, I asked in my consultation, good. So were you able to get more results? Were you able to convert that person? You would be able to connect with them, wherein you would be able to solve their problem, wherein you would be able to give them the kind of information that they want. When you do that repeatedly, you will be able to get more sales for you, closing for you. Got that? Good. Right. The next is task 6. Importance of asking questions during follow-up. Importance of asking questions during follow-up.